Wood ash from clean burned wood contains natural minerals.
Sprinkle lightly and mix gently into the soil. Natural minerals help plants grow stronger. Sprinkle it in a circle around the base, avoiding the leaves and roots.
Only use a small spoon around the soil. Tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, roses, and peach trees can benefit. It contains potassium and calcium that help plants grow stronger and produce better fruit.
Do not use wood ash on blueberries or plants that need acidic soil. Used correctly, wood ash can be a simple natural fertilizer.